Hi, my name is Meher and today we are going to be making a paella. Paella is one of the most well-known Spanish dishes. The word paella comes from the round, shallow pan that it is cooked in. There are many different ways to cook this rice dish, but today I'm going to show you my family's take on paella valenciano. The first step is to create the broth. I used 8 cups of pre-made broth, added some salt and a bit of saffron for flavor and color. Then add 2 hefty pinches of paella seasoning, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a whole onion cut in half with the skin. I think that adds color to the broth. While the broth is heating up, we cook the other ingredients. I like to use a whole garlic to be the center point of my cooked paella. Cut up 6 chicken thighs to make 2 or 3 pieces per thigh and saute them. With paella, you can use any variety of meats and seafood. If I make a seafood paella, I would add shrimp, scallops, and maybe some clams. Add some paella seasoning, salt, and pepper to the meat. Cook the chicken well until it's done and then remove it from the heat. Next, we will saute the vegetables. A bunch of green beans trimmed but kept whole, and a red pepper cut into strips. Get them nice and charred. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Then remove these from the pan. By this time, your broth should be boiling nicely and have a rich amber color. Carefully pour your broth into the paella pan. Add a can of diced tomatoes and spread into the liquid. Traditional paella rice is called bomba, but any short-grain rice like arborio rice can be used. To ensure the correct amount of rice, here's a trick. Pour it in a line down the middle of the pan to create a ridge of rice that just peeks over the surface of the liquid. Then spread it into the pan. Add a can of big white beans and a can of garbanzo beans and spread to distribute it evenly. Then add green beans, the chicken, and red peppers back to the pan and arrange it to make it radiate out from the center of the pan. At this point, it might be a good idea to do a taste test to make sure you have enough salt and seasonings. I turn the garlic to cook it evenly. You want to cook the paella until the liquid is all absorbed and the rice is tender but not mushy. Finally, it's time to eat. I hope you enjoy your paella as much as we do. If you'd like to learn more, we have many books on Spanish cooking and recipes at the library. Check one out today.